In the last session, I discussed the algorithms which you need to know about Facebook. Before running ads, you have to understand the Facebook algorithm so that you are in a better position to run your ads. Now, in the last session of this course, we will be discussing about ads funnel. So before getting into the detail, we have to understand that what exactly is funnel. So funnel is the pathway that user take during their journey with your marketing marketing activities. So it is segregated into different stages. Top of the funnel, in top of the funnel there is goal, get people to your website. You have to identify how, and by identifying how thing, you can identify that you can use PPC or SEO strategies. Then there is middle of the funnel concept, where your goal can be nurturing the existing lead which you got from you can say diverting the users to your website. And in bottom of the funnel, your goal can be direct selling, and this is the you can say chocolate bit at the bottom, that is conversion. So basically, funnel is a path that users take during their journey with your marketing activities. In simple words, I can say that when you start promoting on any platform, there is a sequence that in the first stage people get aware about your product or service. In the second stage, they engage or they use a test product. In the third phase, they are in a state of purchasing, and in might be, you can say, fourth stage, they purchase your product or service. So you have to identify the funnel, that okay, from path A to path B, you have this strategy. From path B to path C, this strategy. For path C to path D, this strategy will be applied. So this is the basic concept of funnel. So understand ads funnel. So top of funnel, mid of funnel, bottom of funnel. So top of the funnel, your objectives can be awareness, consideration. Mid of funnel, consideration or conversion. Or bottom of funnel, direct conversion. So here the Facebook ads funnel is beautifully explained. Top of the funnel, you attract cold audience. So what is cold audience? Cold audience is the audience that has never connected with your product or service, or you can say your brand or maybe company. These are the strangers. After identifying or attracting the cold audience, in mid of the funnel, you generate lead. You from in strangers, they get into the prospects area. And in the, you can say, bottom of funnel, you acquire, you utilize that lead and you acquire that customer. You sell something to them, or whatever your marketing objective, you acquire the customer by selling that product or service. And from stranger to prospect, prospect to leads, leads to customers, and after the another funnel can be post purchase, encourage repeat purchase. So from customer, they convert into a loyal customer. So basically, you have to create a funnel, and after creating a funnel, you have to plan out your campaign. That okay, for attracting cold campaign, I gonna run for attracting cold audience, I gonna run one campaign. For generating the leads of cold audience, attracted cold audience, I will run another campaign. For the audience who have been acquired as lead, I will run another campaign. So you have to utilize the audience smartly, and you have to know that in which funnel your audience is there. So if you know that your audience is in middle funnel, you have the capacity, or you can say you have the power that if you do your marketing well, you can acquire those customers. So you need to understand your ads funnel. You have to attract cold audience, you have to generate leads, you have to acquire customer, and you can say encourage repeat purchase. So this is the example of ads funnel, and this is it for this course. I hope that I have covered all the basics that you need to understand before getting into Facebook ads. For the other Facebook courses, I will be discussing the practical side. I will be discussing examples. I will be discussing what are the options available. So right now I have just covered 1% of Facebook ads. Even I have not even covered 1% of the Facebook ads in this particular course. The Facebook advertising platform is huge. So for my coming lectures, I will be discussing the important areas which need to be focused. I will be sharing examples. I will be sharing my practical executions, and examples, these strategies are going to help you a lot. So let's meet in the advanced lectures of Facebook advertising.